Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at OKE, 1OK. Trying to add this to my portfolio. I'm not having a lot of success, maybe a little bit. I've got 300 shares right now. So I'm going to try to add it with selling this cash covered put. If the price drops below my strike price, I'm going to add it to my portfolio. If it doesn't, money in the bank. So here we go. We're selling the monthly. It's about a month out. Break even's at 58.15. That's well below where it's been recently. And max profit $370. I will take it. Max loss if they go out of business $11,630. All right, not great, but the cash, that's a risk reward calculation, right? So if you sell $370 for 12 months, you're going to get like, I don't know, $4,000, $5,000, something like that. I don't do the calculation. Yeah, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. So it's an ROI like 40-50%. Pretty good, in my opinion. Even if I have to take the stock, I'm still going to do okay. All right, let's see what we can get. All right, guys, we had to come down just a little bit for 1OK. 180 we got, so $180 for 100 shares. Pretty good still, pretty good. All right, we'll see what ROI that is at the bottom of the screen, and we'll get the annualized return. See how we do. All right, guys, here we are. We have the position of 1OK, and looks pretty good. All right, we're down 5%. All right, because we bought in at $6.17. Now, we'll make that up pretty quickly. Like I said before, I probably got a couple bucks for the options. And so my cost basis is probably closer to 62-ish. And with dividends that are be coming in at 4 or 5%, whatever they're paying now, I forget. Go check my other video where I do an in-depth review of 1OK. Very confident in 1OK on converting some of my portfolio over to a little bit safer position and dividend paying stocks. So that'll be good growth for the future. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe to figure out how to make that passive income and build wealth. Thanks for watching.